Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PiggyVest savings app for mobile users, and here's the breakdown. If you want simple way to save money on your phone, PiggyVest and similar saving apps make it easy and stress-free. PiggyVest itself lets you set up automatic savings, target goals like emergency fund or vacation, and even earn decent interest on your locked or flexible plan, all from the app. Another great option or another great mobile saving app include Coda with easy port and automatic transfer. Another one is Alert by Wemo, which has Wallet Go and Savings Pocket. Another one is Carbon. Carbon has a flexible saving plus short-time investment option. So this app helps you save in small chunks, track your progress, and avoid impulse spending. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more money tips guide, and comment which app you would like to try first. And that's it.